You don't need art skills, just basic materials and a few quiet minutes. Hello, today we are drawing an owl in Mithila Mandala style. In folk art, owl represents wisdom and clarity, especially when the mind feels noisy. As you draw with me, don't rush, just stay with each line. So we are going to start with the artwork. We are going to start with eyes. Eyes of the owl are always big in Madhubani art. As you draw the circle, notice where your mind is. If thoughts are jumping, it's okay. Just bring your attention back to the artwork. We are going to start with drawing two eyes. Okay. Eye number 2. Okay. The length of the circle here is, I've taken 1.8. You can take 2 centimeters also. I'll increase the size a little bit and draw another semicircle. Increase it a little bit, the length. Then I'll add another small circle. Next, I'll add a curve like this. Extend this into a shape something like this. Then I'll extend this. Okay, just a square like shape. Then after you reach this point, just add a curve like this. Bend it like this. Then adding another 2 shapes. Like this. Here we are going to draw lines. Leave some space. Just a small scribble like thing. Then add a few petals. Then once again add a set of circles. Add lines. We'll take a inner lining to this wing. We will start with adding a semicircle. Okay. Then adding long petals and adding inner lining petals. In this, I'll just add a few lines. Then we'll just separate this with our outlining. Add another set of lines inside. Then add a set of circles. And then adding a pattern like this, like a flower, and that's it. Okay. Here once again, I'll add few circles. Circles. Extending a line. With this, we complete our artwork.